Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again with Bu Endah. And today we will discuss about the citation and scientific reference management with Mendeley. Actually, this material is conduct how to manage our reference with Mendeley software. And why we need this? Why we need Mendeley to manage our reference? Because in scientific publication, scientific research, we need the reference because we want to make make our research or our publication is have a good foundation uh, about the related work in the previous time. So the more reference, the good reference, it will be considered to our ability to manage our scientific research. As we know that Mendeley is a reference management software that can help the researcher collaborate with another researcher or also find out the recent research publication. Mendeley is based on open source. It will be uh, support another platform like if we are using Windows, we using Apple or Linux, it will be conducted by the Mendeley. And for another management application, this is for Bu Endah best practice. Bu Endah have using Mendeley reference, Zotero, and also EndNote. And from all of this management reference, Bu Endah can say that Mendeley reference is the best for this time. We can manage our reference a good way, and we can manage our reference on the word processor plugin, and also we can manage it with the web importer also. So it will be conducted in two ways for Mendeley, right? And for this time, we will make how to explore the Mendeley step by step. The first one that you must consider, we make sure that we have account on mendeley.com, or we have account on Elsevier database. Why we need this? Because we will using the Mendeley on cloud uh, database. So Bu Endah will be show where is the what is where is the this address will be have to our account. This is, if you know this is the homepage of Mendeley, and we can create a free account in here. Just click and you will have or you will fill some fill blank like this, because I have already have the Elsevier or Mendeley account. It will be bring in sign in. But if you have the new one, you will have uh, the new you will have the new what is the new account. Okay, and the second, you must install the Mendeley desktop. Whereas we can get the Mendeley desktop master program, we will find in here. This is on Mendeley desktop download. I'm sorry, this is the Mendeley desktop download. Okay. Or if you find in Mendeley, you can take this term on Mendeley page, homepage. You can click the download button, and in this page you will find the Mendeley desktop that could be for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. You can choose one that is supported with your open source. Oh, sorry, with your open operating system. Right? After that, we can have the next step. This is installing a word plugin. What is word plugin? Because we need to process the word, because we have the narration or the publication. After that we can cite uh, some reference that could be in Microsoft Word, VPS Office, LibreOffice, or etc. So it depends on your word processor. After that, we can installing the web importer that could be on Chrome, Firefox, Opera. It's also depend on your web browser. And the last is we can make to manage our citation and reference. Bu Endah will be show for the third and fourth step. Okay. This is the for step one that Bu Endah have already shown. It's for the Mendeley.com. You can make an account, or if you have already a Sapphire account, you can use it. And step two, we can install Mendeley desktop. Just downloaded this master file. After that, we can install the Mendeley desktop. If we already installed the Mendeley desktop, we will open the shortcut and show like this. If you want the new one, that will be this room, this space is will be empty, because there is no reference in your Mendeley desktop already. For this application, after completed installing, you can open application and sign in Mendeley Elsevier account. Because in the first one, before you enter this application, we need to sign in. And if we already in here, so it is we have reached, or we can we can enter the Mendeley desktop. For the step 3, how to install with plugin, it's already need your Mendeley desktop. You can open it, and for this you can choose the tools one, the tab of tools, and you can install Microsoft Word plugin. It's depend on your word processor. Because Bu Endah using Microsoft Word, it will be install Microsoft Word plugin. And also, if you have another word processor, it will be have another what is notification. In Bu Endah, it's uninstall, because Bu Endah already installed the plugin. If you are not already install, it will be install Microsoft Word plugin like that. Just you can follow the command for the installing. So the step installing Word plugin, we can check. How we can check? You can open your word processor. If you found the Mendeley site-o-matic on reference, it means that you are achieve you are can or you already have installed the Mendeley on your Word plugin. Okay, for step 4, you can install the web importer as same with the install Word plugin. How to install? Just click the tab of tools and install web importer. Just you can follow this rule to your web importer. You can check. Where is we can check? You can check on this. If our browser, our default browser, we can find the shortcut in the right top right of our browser. We can find the shortcut Mendeley. It means we already have installed the web importer for Mendeley in our browser. Please check on the default browser, because maybe if you have more than one browser, it you need to install on the extension of the browser. You must remember that. Okay, if you have already this, we can make the citation and reference management, and Bu Endah will be explained on the next video. Okay, thank you.